everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn long vowel E. So in previous classes, we were learning about the long vowel E and its combinations. In today's class, we will see the first combination. When two E comes together, same phonic rule. Again, it is a two vowels and it will say its letter name. No more phonic sound here. So the name of this letter is E. And when two E's comes together, it gives the same sound E. Shall we check out the words? Yes. Come, let me check out the words. Sweets, street, bee, feet, tree, sea, meat, beat, seed, fleet. Can you able to see the similar sound in all those words? Yes. When two E comes together, it will say its letter name. Thank you.